As we approach the year 2020 election day, we've got some decisions to make. Maybe I can help you a little bit in making those decisions. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And recently, I was listening to one of my old favorite songs by a group called Chicago. And the song is called Dialogue. And it was written by a gentleman for Chicago, Robert Lamb, in 1972. But I want you to think about how pertinent the lyrics are to today's times. Because, well, I want you to give it some thought. And it's a dialogue between essentially two college students, and I want you to take a look and think about how people are responding today to the different challenges that we face. We've got a pandemic, we have social unrest, we have financial issues, we have, I mean, it goes on and on and on, but there are kind of, two ways to look at things. Let's take a look and let's see a little bit about a solution. So I'm going to go over these, and I found it very apropos. So here it is. Remember, these are two guys talking to each other. First one, are you optimistic about the way that things are going? No, I never ever think of it at all. Don't you ever worry when you see what's going down? Well, I try to mind my business, that is, no business at all. You know people like that mind their business, which is no business at all? When it's time to function as a feeling human being, will your Bachelor of Arts help you get by? Well, I hope to study further a few more years or so. I also hope to keep a steady high. Do we know people like that? Will you try to change things, use the power that you have, the power of 1,000,000 new ideas? What is this power you speak of? And this need for things to change. I always thought that everything was fine. Everything is fine. Don't you feel repression just closing in around? No, the campus here is very, very free. Don't it make you angry the way war is dragging on? Well, I hope the president knows what he's into. I don't know. I just don't know. Don't you see the starvation in the city where you live? All the needless hunger, all the needless pain. Well, I haven't been there lately. The country is so fine. But my neighbors don't seem hungry because they haven't got the time. They haven't got the time. Well, thank you for the talk. You really eased my mind. I was troubled by the shapes of things to come. Well, if you had my outlook, your feelings would be numb. You'd always think that everything was fine. Everything was fine. Is that kind of a mirror of our society? You have some people that are there looking, and then other people that, just, well, I'm in my little world, I'm free, I'm okay, everything is fine. It's not my job to step up. I mean, let's leave it to the president, let's leave it to this one, let's leave it to that one. And then the second part of the dialogue offers some solutions that they go into and with the chorus. And the chorus is, we can make it better. We can change the world now. We can save the children. We can make it happen. Sometimes when you go back and you look at a song which starts off, of course, as a poem, there could be some significant meaning there. And I just want to offer this little version of dialogue from Chicago from 1972 from the album Chicago 5. It's a song that I always really loved right from the first time I heard it, and it carries some tremendous meaning for me. And right now, especially now in these troubled times, at this particular time during the year, right before the election, I thought I would share this thought with you. So forgive me for my rant, and let's get out there and do some thinking. Do some positive thinking. And because we will never end a meeting on a philosophical note, get out there and vote and charge! I'm Eli's dad.